Since January 13, 2023, our system ranks Shopify as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.000. During this period, the stock has outperformed our expectations with a gain 24.27% since we first told you to buy Shopify 9 days ago. This is an average return of 2.7% per day since first recommended. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. In our daily updates for Shopify, our last headline reads, Green Day on Thursday for Shopify stock after gaining 2.11%. The Shopify stock price gained 2.11% on the last trading day, Thursday, January 26, 2023, rising from $47.33 to $48.33. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.68% from a day low at $46.44 to a day high of $49.08. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 32.63% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by minus 30 million shares, and in total, 29 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.40 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $988.50, and the lowest price was $23.63. Right now the price is 95.11%, or $940.17, below 52-week high, and 97.26%, or $1,714.59. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back, there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $46.45, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $58.63 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 12.76% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 20.03% and 8.38%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 86.30% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between minus 100% and minus 61.37%. This equals a price between $0 and $18.67 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Monday, January 23, 2023, Deutsche Bank set price target to 50. On Thursday, January 19, 2023, Truist Securities set price target to 41. On Thursday, January 19, 2023, Truist Securities set price target to 41. On Thursday, January 19, 2023, Truist Securities set price target to 41. On Thursday, January 19, 2023, Truist Securities set price target to 41. From analysts, Shopify stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Shopify. The Shopify stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $42.87 and $37.89. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 28, 2022, and so far it has risen 48.07%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 48 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Shopify. Shopify finds support from accumulated volume at $47.33, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.64 between high and low, or 5.68%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 8.94%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Shopify. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Shopify currently has a price-earning ratio of 338.77. This is an extremely high price-to-earnings ratio and could mean that a company's stock is overvalued. These kind of price-to-earnings ratios are typical for tech companies or companies that have extreme market potential. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released February 15, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $0.140. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Shopify finds first level of support at $47.33, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Shopify is buy. Our recommended stop loss is $46.43, minus 3.94%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The RSI 14 is 80 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 19 days ago. Is Shopify stock a buy? Shopify holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 27th, we expect Shopify to open down $0.380 and start trading at $47.95. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to